Hi guys, it's Sam here with Bargain Hunting Blonde, and today I am bringing to you a reveal that is only kind of a reveal because, as one of you pointed out, and I didn't even notice this, I had it on my shelves behind me when I had the different shelving unit and was like, oh my gosh, is that a new bag? And I realized it's new to you guys seeing it, but it's not new to me. So I am doing a reveal, but not really a reveal. So anyway, let's jump into it. Today I'm revealing to you guys bag's all messed up. Kind of weird to put this in a dust bag. A Louis Vuitton piece. And so this, to me, goes along with my Nano collection, so like with my Speedy Nano. And it is, but it's not actually the Nano. It is the adorable Nice Mini. So this bag retails on the Louis Vuitton website and at Louis Vuitton for $9.45. I know it has gone up a lot in price since it was first released. So if you're able to snag it like me earlier, you paid less, but $9.45, also rumored increase happening end of September, early October. So if you want, some of these little pieces, I would get this before it goes over $1,000 because at that point that just seems really expensive. But let's go into some details. So this is in the monogram canvas with the gold hardware. It does have a top little handle. This is technically a makeup case, but I am not using it as a makeup case. I'm using it as a bag. I love vanity bags. They're one of my favorite designs from any fashion house, and I feel like even when they go out of style, they're still in style because then you can use them for makeup. So I feel like it's a really versatile piece. I've seen a lot of videos comparing this to the Vanity PM, which is adorable and I love, but the price tag gives me a heart attack. So like I said, this is $9.45. I believe the Vanity PM is $2,450, so that's a huge price difference. And this bag can be used as a bag besides top handle because there are these two leather straps. And so what I do for bags like this is I buy either just a strap to attach right there, or I prefer little D-rings from Amazon, and I put the little D-ring on the strap and then put D-ring on this little piece, and then I put the strap on the D-ring to put less pressure on the top of this bag. So let me open it up and show you the inside. It is nothing too crazy. Like I said, it is meant to be a makeup bag. So it has a fully wipeable interior. It does have a back slip pocket, which has its little booklet. So you can see here's its little code. Don't focus. And, its little care card that tells you it's coated fabric and cowhide leather trim with a man-made lining. So, very cute. I always keep the little booklets in there even if I'm using it just because I don't want to lose them. And as you guys will see, this is a made in Italy piece. On the stamp back there, and like I said, very much just open. I know a lot of people do buy organizers for this. I'm not going to because I think that this bag is really cute just the way it is, and like I said, I plan on using it as a bag, so I'll be putting different shaped items in it, so I don't necessarily want to have an organizer in there that's made more for makeup. So let's go over kind of what fits in this, and then I also want to give you guys the measurements. So maybe we should start with measurements, which again, written on my phone, trying not to write things down. So the measurements on this baby are 7.9 inches in length, 5.3 inches in height, and 4.7 inches in depth. So pretty good size for a mini piece. I do want to show it to you guys against my Nano real quick. So this is my Nano Speedy and this is my Nice Mini. As you can see, they're actually pretty comparable in size. This one is a little smaller, but I also think that has to do with the depth on the Mini versus the Nano. The Nice is always going to be more square as it is meant to hold makeup. And then just the back side of them, very cute. Both are small. Why I went with the Mini, well, the Mini came out first, and so when I bought it, the Nano did not exist. But I have also seen many videos of the Nano, and it does not fit a cell phone, and that is like, I cannot. When a bag does not fit a cell phone, we're out. So the Mini is the smallest I will be going for this little Nice case, which is just so cute. So let me show you what fits in here. Like I said, I'd probably leave the booklet in there, so I'm going to for now. Look, yay, a phone! Look how easily that fits. I mean, it's gonna fall over because it's got so much space. So a phone definitely fits in here. Then I'm gonna put in my Calvi card holder, my Bastia coin purse, I'm gonna put on the side, my lip gloss, because we have so much space in here. I don't even think I have enough stuff to like put in it. my key clay, or clay because key clay is repetitive, which actually just has headphones in it, but I would normally put some keys on it. And then, guys, this is actually really exciting. So I always take, I think it's gonna fit, I always take my Karen Walker sunglasses out of my Karen Walker case because this case is huge. But guys, I think it's gonna fit. Let's see if I move this guy a little bit. Guys, this is so exciting. How do I want, so I want to stand this guy up, but I think, oh, maybe it's not. Guys, look at this. This little mini piece has fit in here, my giant Karen Walker case. Now, would I do that? No. But does it close and zip with the Karen Walker in it? Yes, which is so exciting. This little piece packs a punch, and I know that's Minnie, if you watch Minx for All's favorite phrase, but it really does, and I really love it. I think it's so cute, and like I said, I think these are a great piece to purchase even with the Louis Vuitton price increases at the moment, because they are right now very trendy to be used as a bag, but I also think they make a great piece when it's no longer a bag to be used on your countertop for your makeup. Like, it's so versatile, and since the Louis Vuitton travel piece, it's kind of something that never goes out of style. I love this. Maybe I'll end up getting a bigger one for my makeup. Probably not. I don't have that much makeup, guys. I'm not good with makeup. And when I travel, I actually don't travel with, I do have an older Louis Vuitton makeup case that is smaller that I do put my makeup in, but I actually take all my makeup out when I travel because I have had so many things stolen out of my suitcase when I travel, which is very unfortunate. And it does not matter if I'm flying Southwest Economy or I'm flying first on Swiss Air all the time. And it's great. So anything of value I actually carry on, which would mean I would need to carry on my makeup in this, and I just don't want to do that. So I normally take it out. But such a cute little piece. So I wanted to reveal it to you guys on here. I will be styling it a lot more on my Instagram, Facebook, and blog, so make sure to follow me, which are all linked down below. If you like these sort of videos, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video on Wednesdays and Sundays. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.